Okay, hey, it's yet another Thursday for my weekly TikTok live streaming. So, if you are inspired to use the internet to create multiple streams of income online, then my educational and insider kind of live stream is definitely suitable for you. And since we are on a TikTok live stream, definitely we must discuss in detail about TikTok marketing, isn't it? But my kind of TikTok marketing strategy and its long term is definitely not seen in many of these online coaching sessions that you're seeing encounter elsewhere. And I am very sure of that. Being a student of other people's coaching session before in TikTok marketing, I noticed this stuck difference, this stuck gap that many coaches either they have intentionally chosen not to teach that or unknowingly they don't think that is important. But as a digital marketer since 2020 and a coach in the network marketing business space, this is definitely a no-no for you to do long term. And what is that? You will get to find out in my live stream. That is a very important digital asset, not just about doing TikTok. It's about doing any forms of business, whether traditional or in the digital space. Next, in a broader sense, TikTok marketing is just one small part of the digital space. The entire macro business skill sets would be digital marketing. We will go into that too. So when you actually learn and apply and master digital marketing, which is an evergreen business skill sets in the digital space, literally you can market anything. You are not dependent on any trending social media channel, which is you should not be depending on any one of them because these social media channels don't belong to you. You have just temporary control of them. You are not the owner. In that sense, what should you be doing to safeguard your interests as a solo business owner? This is something you must know. And of course, last but not least, since internet, it is very highly sought after in helping a lot of regular people in creating multiple sources of income. At the same time, it attracted people with bad intentions, which I call them the scammers, the online scammers. They will prey on the regular people that lack of awareness in the digital space. There are already a lot of victims I came across, creating contents using my social media channels, right? And unfortunately, it is still happening, even though I have put out plenty of video contents exposing such online scams. So in my live stream, I will also discuss with you using my digital marketing learning journey to help you identify what are legit and proper and official platform or opportunities when it comes to creating income online, right? So I sincerely hope that this is good enough, sufficient enough for you, right? During my live stream, powerful enough content to help you to thrive in the digital space. So I look forward to seeing you. Don't forget to follow my channel and share out this announcement to the people that you care, and they are also just like yourself seeking ways of making income online.